I'm a fashion business director, so my team and myself make sure that the responsibly sourced furs is part of the high-end fashion houses' collections.
I speak to the sourcing people or the environmental people, allowing them to have the confidence in Saga Furs. Most of the designers that have announced they're going fur-free really weren't using the product. So, last year still there was fur on 60% of the runways in New York, London, Paris, and Milan.
We've seen the increase on online sale of fur when it comes mostly from accessories, and we would gather that that's from millennials, and that's increased for the last 18 months, 30%.
And we've had tremendous response to the next generation of designers. The young designers, 1, 2, 3 years out of school with their own collections, have really embraced fur because of the inspiration we give them. Nothing is going into a landfill. There's no negative effect on the environment. It's a very Nordic way of doing business. I would say that we've packaged it and discussed it, but it's really our fur farmers in Finland that really this is their way of life. They live off of nature. Fur is a natural product, and they feel responsible for nature. So their circular economy, or using all parts of the fur and feeding the fur animals, fish byproducts, is all part of our global strategy now. We're certainly not fast fashion. We're an artisan craft, and that's what's so fantastic about this material. It has an extended life. It's not just your grandmother's coat. You could take the grandmother's coat and cut it into a jacket or a vest or even pillows.
It is about us trying to bring our point across and explaining how we do things and why not all fur is equal. It needs to be traceable, it needs to be produced in an environment that the animal welfare has been taken care of, but the environment also has been taken care of. Soon it will be possible to put a mobile device next to a Saga product, and that will kind of reveal the whole supply chain up to that one.
The goal is very high. We're the platinum level, but we also work with our competitors to bring them up. They have to recognize this. We can't leave anybody totally behind. I think it's going to start with small pieces and fur trims, and as the creative process reinvents, the mink coat or the full coat. It's an industry that's been around since, biblical times. It reinvents itself based upon creativity. So I think we have great days ahead of us as the design community embraces the product and sees new ideas and allows them to creatively think.